Table of Contents. Preface. 1. Science and the Universe. A Brief Tour. 1.1. The Nature of Astronomy. 1.2. The Nature of Science. 1.3. The Laws of Nature. 1.4. Numbers in Astronomy. 1.5. Consequences of Light Travel Time. 1.6. A Tour of the Universe. 1.7. The Universe on the Large Scale. 1.8. The Universe of the Very Small. 1.9. A Conclusion and a Beginning. 2. Observing the Sky. The Birth of Astronomy. 2.1. The Sky Above. 2.2. Ancient Astronomy. 2.3. Astrology and Astronomy. 2.4. The Birth of Modern Astronomy. 3. Orbits and Gravity. 3.1. The Laws of Planetary Motion. 3.2. Newton's Great Synthesis. 3.3. Newton's Universal Law of Gravitation. 3.4. Orbits in the Solar System. 3.5. Motions of satellites and spacecraft. 3.6. Gravity with more than two bodies. 4. Earth, Moon, and Sky. 4.1. Earth and Sky. 4.2. The Seasons. 4.3. Keeping Time. 4.4. The Calendar. 4.5. Phases and Motions of the Moon. 4.6. Ocean Tides and the Moon. 4.7. Eclipses of the Sun and Moon. 5. Radiation and Spectra. 5.1. The Behavior of Light. 5.2. The Electromagnetic Spectrum. 5.3. Spectroscopy in Astronomy. 5.4. The Structure of the Atom. 5.5. Formation of Spectral Lines. 5.6. The Doppler Effect. 6. Astronomical Instruments. 6.1. Telescopes. 6.2. Telescopes today. 6.3. Visible light detectors and instruments. 6.4. Radio telescopes. 6.5. Observations outside Earth's atmosphere. 6.6. The future of large telescopes. 7. Other worlds. An introduction to the solar system. 7.1. Overview of our planetary system. 7.2. Composition and structure of planets. 7.3. Dating planetary surfaces. 7.4. Origin of the solar system. 8. Earth as a planet. 8.1. The global perspective. 8.2. Earth's crust. 8.3. Earth's atmosphere. 8.4. Life, chemical evolution, and climate change. 8.5. Cosmic influences on the evolution of Earth. 9. Cratered worlds. 9.1. General properties of the Moon. 9.2. The lunar surface. 9.3. Impact craters. 9.4. The origin of the Moon. 9.5. Mercury. 10. Earth-like planets. Venus and Mars. 10.1. The nearest planets. An overview. 10.2. The geology of Venus. 10.3. The massive atmosphere of Venus. 10.4. The geology of Mars. 10.5. Water and life on Mars. 10.6. Divergent planetary evolution. 11. The giant planets. 11.1. Exploring the outer planets. 11.2. The giant planets. 11.3. Atmospheres of the giant planets. 12. Rings, moons, and Pluto. 12.1. Ring and moon systems introduced. 12.2. The Galilean moons of Jupiter. 12.3. Titan and Triton. 12.4. Pluto and Charon. 12.5. Planetary rings. 13. Comets and asteroids. Debris of the solar system. 13.1. Asteroids. 13.2. Asteroids and planetary defense. 13.3. The long-haired comets. 13.4. The origin and fate of comets and related objects. 14. Cosmic samples and the origin of the solar system. 14.1. Meteors. 14.2. Meteorites. Stones from heaven. 14.3. Formation of the solar system, 14.4. Comparison with other planetary systems, 14.5. Planetary evolution. 15. The Sun. A garden variety star. 15.1. The structure and composition of the Sun. 15.2. The solar cycle. 15.3. Solar activity above the photosphere. 15.4. Space weather. 16. The Sun. A nuclear powerhouse. 16.1. Sources of sunshine. Thermal and gravitational energy. 16.2. Mass, energy, and the theory of relativity. 16.3. The solar interior. Theory. 16.4. The solar interior. Observations. 17. Analyzing starlight. 17.1. The brightness of stars. 17.2. Colors of stars. 17.3. The spectra of stars and brown dwarfs. 17.4. Using spectra to measure stellar radius, composition, and motion. 18. The stars. A celestial census. 18.1. A stellar census. 18.2. Measuring stellar masses. 18.3. Diameters of stars. 18.4. The HR diagram. 19. Celestial distances. 19.1. Fundamental units of distance. 19.2. Surveying the stars. 19.3. Variable stars. One key to cosmic distances. 19.4. The HR diagram and cosmic distances. 20. Between the stars. Gas and dust in space. 20.1. The interstellar medium. 20.2. Interstellar gas. 20.3. Cosmic dust. 20.4. Cosmic rays. 20.5. The life cycle of cosmic material. 20.6. Interstellar matter around the Sun. 21. The birth of stars and the discovery of planets outside the solar system. 21.1. Star formation. 21.2. The HR diagram and the study of stellar evolution. 21.3. Evidence that planets form around other stars. 21.4. Planets beyond the solar system. Search and discovery. 21.5. Exoplanets everywhere. What we are learning. 21.6. New perspectives on planet formation. 22. Stars from adolescence to old age. 22.1. Evolution from the main sequence to red giants. 22.2. Star clusters. 22.3. Checking out the theory. 22.4. Further evolution of stars. 22.5. The evolution of more massive stars. 23. The death of stars. 23.1. The death of low-mass stars. 23.2. Evolution of massive stars. An explosive finish. 23.3. Supernova observations. 23.4. Pulsars and the discovery of neutron stars. 23.5. The evolution of binary star systems. 23.6. The mystery of the gamma-ray bursts. 24. Black holes and curved spacetime. 24.1. Introducing general relativity. 24.2. Spacetime and gravity. 24.3. Tests of general relativity. 24.4. Time in general relativity. 24.5. Black holes. 24.6. Evidence for black holes. 24.7. Gravitational wave astronomy. 25. The Milky Way galaxy. 25.1. The architecture of the galaxy. 25.2. Spiral structure. 25.3. The mass of the galaxy. 25.4. The center of the galaxy. 25.5. Stellar populations in the galaxy. 25.6. The formation of the galaxy. 26. Galaxies. 26.1. The discovery of galaxies. 26.2. Types of galaxies. 26.3. Properties of galaxies. 26.4. The extragalactic distance scale. 26.5. The expanding universe. 27. Active galaxies, quasars, and supermassive black holes. 27.1. Quasars. 27.2. Supermassive black holes. What quasars really are. 27.3. Quasars as probes of evolution in the universe. 28. The evolution and distribution of galaxies. 28.1. Observations of distant galaxies. 28.2. Galaxy mergers and active galactic nuclei. 28.3. The distribution of galaxies in space. 28.4. The challenge of dark matter. 28.5. The formation and evolution of galaxies and structure in the universe. 29. The Big Bang. 29.1. The age of the universe. 29.2. A model of the universe. 29.3. The beginning of the universe. 29.4. The cosmic microwave background. 29.5. What is the universe really made of? 29.6. The inflationary universe. 29.7. The anthropic principle. 30. Life in the universe. 30.1. The cosmic context for life. 30.2. Astrobiology. 30.3. Searching for life beyond Earth. 30.4. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence. A. How to study for an introductory astronomy class. B. Astronomy websites, images, and apps. C. Scientific notation. D. Units used in science. E. Some useful constants for astronomy. F. Physical and orbital data for the planets. G. Selected moons of the planets. H. Future total eclipses. I. The nearest stars, brown dwarfs, and white dwarfs. J. The brightest 20 stars. K. The chemical elements. L. The constellations. M. Star chart and sky event resources. Index.